Do you want to change any photo into anime and cartoon style? Do you want to turn family and friends photos into 3D images that look like animation cartoons? You're choosing light way to learn. First of all, subscribe to my channel, LensGo.ai. It allows to change the style, many features that will enable you to transform and customize your photos in a single click after uploading them. This AI contains style like cartoon, anime, 3D, fantasy, manga, painting, and more presets. Open your browser and search LensGo.ai. Sign up with Google account. Click Create Images. You will see the part written model, that is the part to choose the style you want. Images dimensions. This is the part to choose the ratio. The number of image section here is the section to choose how many images you want to appear. Click in Model to choose the style. Choose Pixar style, then click Upload Images. Choose image in your device. Write the prompt is cinematic, then click Start. Let's change the style and prompt. To download, click here. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.